Need a fast cure foam adhesive for insulation and plasterboards? You'll need SikaBond FoamFix Plus.
Yeah, this stuff's amazing. It sticks to concrete, fibre cement, wood, brickwork, plaster, metal, PVC, gyprock. What doesn't it stick to, Brad?
Yeah, not a lot, Lara. It's brilliant. You can use this one indoors or out, and in both vertical and horizontal applications. To get started, simply shake for at least 20 seconds, then screw the adapter on nice and tight. Next, spray onto the application surface, then wait for between 4 to 6 minutes, giving the foam some time to react. Then press your board onto the surface and finish off with either screws or nails. You can see how this stuff really does foam up nicely. You can even trim it off after 12 minutes. Full curing takes 12 hours.
SikaBond FoamFix Plus comes in a 750ml can size, and believe it or not, just the one can will be sufficient for a surface area of 10 metres squared. So it really does go a long way.
Sika, building trust.